everyone, so it's the 11th of January 23 and we're down at Sturt Reserve here on Murray Bridge to give you a bit of a flood update. And yeah, the water's gone absolutely stupid. Alright, hey, cool, nice duck. So yeah, there's the track going down to the shacks. You know, got the gate. The road usually comes around here, and now it's completely gone. There's nothing left. That's freaking nuts. The concrete part over there, that's gone now. Hey, look at that. So much more bloody water here now. Johnny's over there. Got the bloody drone going so we can get some drone footage in the video as well, so that's pretty cool. Oh, time to break me damn back. Damn, man. Holy shit, there's even way in there. There's some down there, some up the back there. Jesus. Ooh, hello. Area unsafe due to cracking, dangerous landsliding. Damn. No damn, river. Oh man, last time I was doing an update down here, I was walking just basically in between the rows of the bloody trees there. Bloody hell. She's up alright. Fence is just about under up there. Couple of black swans chilling out. Wicked. Nuts, eh? It's coming. There you go. Alright, let's go for a walk. Oh yeah, Bainey's back. Say hello.
Hi.
Just going to have enough battery left to be down here.
Oh, real?
Yeah.
Lucky. Yeah.
So I just returned to home and then when I can see it, I'll fly.
Yeah, there you go. The river's just on the other side of the willows there. That's how much the bloody water's come up.
It's pushed up here a fair bit, eh?
Yeah, yeah, because of the wind and that, and it's backed off.
Obviously some wanker's been through here driving.
Yep. Intelligent. Shame, eh? They didn't get bloody bogged. Oh yeah, that'll bloody teach you, you bastard.
Yeah, we'll go soon.
Oh, it's rubbish. I thought it was a bloody, like, empty.
Shotgun shell.
Yeah, that was, yeah, empty friggin' shell.
Stay away from the water, buddy.
This will be a perfect fit to put down in the water.
Ah, what are you doing? I thought it was a bloody carp.
Was this always here?
Uh,
It looks old. I just can't remember it.
yeah, I can't either, eh? Hey, but still, the only time I come down here, I'm near the water, not scoping out up here. I'm fishing, not bloody checking out concrete freaking blocks. There you go, check it out.
That's crazy, eh?
Yeah, that's,
I wonder where
like I said, willows there on the other side of those willows. And the water is all the way up here. So right, you wait till you like see the bloody car parks.
The lack of car park.
Yeah, yeah, what Johnny said.
A new swimming pool.
Nah, it's a wading pool, man.
Right.
the fish will be swimming anywhere in that water.
Yeah, mate, there's one right there. Right where that mud just stirred.
Yeah,
There's one up just up there too.
yeah, you can see it.
You can see as it's been because there's like dark spots where it's up on the tree. Like that tree.
You look for the mud stirring up in the water, mate.
Yeah,
One
mate.
right there. Is that one right there? Yep, right there. Carp there. Was there?
Oh, is it right there? Driving against
Right, you probably can't see what. There's one out there swimming now. See the little.
Yeah,
A bit out of the water over there, Bainey?
see? Over there.
See that shiny thing in the water?
Yeah.
That's a carp.
Tell you what, man, this is gonna stink like all shit when the water starts going down.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be picture, bro.
Oh yeah, it's
I
right
was
Yeah.
looking this morning,
Dad,
hang on, Bainey, the tennis courts out near Sturt. Now the water's gone, it's just clay the whole
Look
way
at
out.
that thing.
Yeah.
There's one.
Yeah, it looks putrid,
Dad,
bro.
there's one in across there.
Yeah, that's the carp, isn't it?
Hey, mate. Yeah, I'm only going here. Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, bloody hell.
Oh, that's where I can see behind the big one.
Oh, perfect. Hey, check out that weird cloud, man.
That's weird.
Different, eh?
Hey.
I just figured out where we would have smelt that smoke earlier out at mushroom farm there.
Oh yeah, the bloody. Yeah, I saw a mate's status that works there on bloody Facebook. Put it up and it's all, oh shit. Well, good morning. Hey, dive in, man. Oh, hell yeah, nah.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, nah. Nah, yeah? Yeah, nah. Nah. The bunyip over there.
I wonder what the,
Surrounded now, mate.
Yeah.
I wonder what the duck
Well, there you go, look at that barbecue area there, the chairs are totally under, just the bench top sticking out now.
Oh, what the shit?
Oh, Dad, I wonder what the ducks are doing for.
That'd just be all the insects and little
Look at that, man. That grass under the water there looks like dog shit now. Like, you know, you got there and then you got there and it's...
brown out, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks freaking... Yeah, nah.
Somebody's been through here.
Oh, muzzies.
Somebody's been through in the car.
Hey, buddy.
Somebody's been through there with idiots. Alright, idiots coming through in their cars.
Yeah.
Probably that car from yesterday, the same car that came
Trying to see the best spot to get on this road.
Check it out, everyone. Toilet block. Right there. And the gym equipment. And the bloody playground. Check that out. It's now a freaking...
water park now.
Yeah, exactly like Bainey said. It's a bloody water park now.
Slides go straight to water level.
Yeah.
Our whole body will be underwater
It
there.
is yucky water, otherwise that'd be fun.
Hey. Yeah, I'd be going in it.
If it wasn't yucky
So I'd be a bloody 37-year-old kid, mate. Damn, man, that's freaking shocking. Someone's got a crack down there. Plastic or something. There you go. Check out the bloody road. Hey, cool, more dragonflies. Wicked. Look at that, even makes the bloody fence look real low now. Jesus. Rage cage under. The skate park's got water in there as well. Bloody paths under. Oh, at least there's a bit of a dry spot there, so that's a plus. Damn, man. I'm assuming this is one of those blue signs. See if I'm right. Oh yes, yes I am. Predictable. Look at that, dry land. Yeah, that's almost steep enough for me to bloody put the friggin' kayak in, I reckon. Start rowing up the middle of the road, that'd be pretty funny. I'll probably get like $10,000 fine, no, but you know, it'll be funny. Piss off, wind. Jesus Christ. There you go. If anyone's wondering why the playground and all that's under over there, see that? The water's got nowhere else to go, so it's coming out of the drains. So, yeah, unfortunately, there you go. Man, that shit stinks. Do 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 do. So I'll wait till you see over there near the bloody community club now. Oof. Oh, shit. Nearly went ass up then. Hey, check out the little beach. Oh shit. There you go. Another drain under. Do 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 do. So there you go, walking path or bike path, whatever. See ya. Yo. Yeah. Oh shit, bloody sick then. Oh, yummy. There's Sturt Reserve. Oh shit. There's a bloody hole there. Didn't even freaking see it. Someone I'm trying to, you know, watch where I'm pointing the bloody GoPro, so there you go, look at that. Holy shit, look, there's a bloody dry spot. Holy crap. How you going? Yeah, not bad. Bloody nuts, eh? Yeah. Check it out. I got me an island. I claim this land. Ah, Jesus. Damn wind. Alright, let's keep having a look, shall we? Dragonflies there. See that bloody light pole? Look at that. Fucking hell. And you know, you got more water over there. Duck swimming. Howdy. Another island there. Bloody palm trees. Anyone would think it's like all tropical and stuff. Oh yeah, they've sandbagged it. Smart. There you go. Olympic Drive. Nice. Oh Jesus, another bloody hole there. Alright, so see if we can get closer to the other side up here and see what happens, I guess. Hey, going over here and having sus. Road gone. Yep.
Let's go this way then, mate.
Unless she's going to find a way to get down there. Howdy. There you go. Go. Looks like he's having fun. Well, she, hey, I don't know. What are your bloody pronouns there, you two? Considering like pronouns are a bloody thing now. I don't know, people are strange. Ugh. What the hell? The bloody busted freaking leaf under my foot. So yeah, tennis court's looking shit up. There you go. This looks pretty bloody decent depth there too. Jesus. Heh. Bloody lawn tennis shed, eh? Jesus. Hey, shame we can't bloody chuck a line in here, eh?
The dragonflies are drinking the water.
Yeah.
I wonder what they drink. Probably not yucky water.
Hey.
They're probably just eating like things, like dead fish.
Yeah. Could be scales or anything. Yeah. Someone's crap.
No wonder why the water's turning green.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like shit, doesn't it?
No wonder
Just wanted to stay there, man.
my socks are wet.
Yeah, that's why I said stay there. How crazy is this, everyone?
Dang it, my socks are wet. My wet socks.
What the fuck's that? Oh, more crap figures. Welcome to Murray Bridge, where people obviously clearly don't know how to use bins. I don't know. Jesus. Who knows? Who cares? Not my problem. Woo! Sorry, I had to. Alright, so lawn tennis courts are still dry. By some sheer dumb luck, I guess. But yeah, the bloody shed over there where all the gear is, isn't it?
Yes.
And here's the road. Whoop, under. Need a rest, bro. It's got to keep me eye out for bloody snakes. Friggin' good weather for it. Damn. Hey, come join me on my island, mate. Look at all the bloody mozzies. There you go. Ready? Going bloody stupid. I better be careful, I might get that new bloody bug that's going around. Ha! Even though, you know, I'm not worried. Takes a lot to scare me, so. Yeah. Gotta like the scenery apart from that bloody fence. Dum 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 dum. More rubbish. Jesus. Man, you should see it, right? Anytime you have the pageant fair thing down here, you know, it happens at night, blah blah blah, after the Christmas pageant, local one, because it usually ends down over there. So you got rides and, you know, food vans and shit like that. You see it the next morning, man, while everyone's packing up, there is shit everywhere. It's freaking disgusting. What are you doing? Having a fucking rest?
Oh, I just sitting talking with Bainey.
Oh, look at that stick. Bloody beauty. Don't hit me. I'm not a carp, man.
Snapping in
water around, eh?
Water.
Hey?
There's your water around.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa!
Look, an even bigger stick.
Well done, mate. Now fetch. No.
Fetch, hit you in the head.
No, don't do that. I'd rather if it didn't have a bloody split. Otherwise you might as well get a friggin' wedge and smack it with the hammer and make it do it properly, yeah? Yeah, anyway, we'll give you one more look and then I'm gonna end this video. Because the GoPro battery's probably gonna go flat soon. It was only on 60% when I started. What? Hey, say see to everyone, man.
Bye.
See ya. You!
Yeah, what they said. Yeah, so anyway, share with your friends and let them know how bad it's getting. It should just be about peaked, I think, eh?
Nearly, yeah.
Yeah.
Day now, I reckon.
Yeah.
Any day.
Yeah, see, even Bainey knows. But, yeah, anyway, like I said, share with your friends, and yeah, if you like this video.
Has it been an hour yet, Dad?
Huh?
You said it hasn't been an hour yet.
I don't know. Has it?
Nah.
Yeah. Yeah, anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Alright, peace and tight lines.